Go to File, New and create a document. Set the size 1500 pixels by 1500 pixels. Create a solid color adjustment layer. Create a new empty layer and select brush, click on a artboard and set opacity to 30 to 40%. Now place a chips mockup file on your artboard. After that, place a chips design on your artboard. You can download these from the link in the description. Select the chips design layer and create a clipping mask by holding the Alt key and then click with mouse. Now create a 3 duplicate of mockup layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Change the blending mode of first duplicate layer to linear burn. Create a level adjustment layer and adjust according to mention on the screen. Change the blending mode of second duplicate layer to linear dodge. Create a level adjustment layer and adjust according to mention on the screen. Change the blending mode of third duplicate layer to screen. Create a level adjustment layer and adjust according to mention on the screen. Select all the adjustment layer and make a group by pressing Ctrl+G. Now create a shadow of the mockup. To do this, go to blending mode and create a drop shadow. Done, your mockup is ready. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Subscribe Templatebolt if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.